Tracker weather with meteorologist Chelsea Priest.
This morning, some spotty showers showing up through the New Bedford area and gradually pushing off to the east. Will get brighter and brighter as the day goes on. Should be a nice afternoon for our final full day of summer as fall officially arrives tomorrow evening. Outside this morning, there are a few spots dealing with a little bit of patchy fog. Overly nothing too dense out there this morning. Visibility down to about 7 miles in Smithfield, 6 miles in Westerly, doing okay in Providence, 4 miles in Newport. So watching for some fog to develop over the course of the morning. With temperatures outside right now, mainly in the upper 50s range, a bit cooler than yesterday, a bit closer to our seasonal averages, and highs this afternoon will be in the low to mid 70s, which again is exactly where we should be for this time of year. And we will be much brighter as we head into the afternoon. A loop over the past 6 hours shows you that there's been no significant rain over the last 6 hours, but there's some drizzle, some mist, some fog outside to start the day. A little bit of a wider view shows you completely dry conditions for much of the northeast, and we'll continue to see again drying conditions as the day progresses with more sunshine into the afternoon. Much wider view is going to show you some rain up to our far north and west, and also you can see Fiona, that major Category 4 hurricane that's moving away from Turks and Caicos right now, expected to maintain that Category 4 strength over the course of the coming days. We're looking at that track that's coming in with sustained winds at 130 miles per hour and gusts to 160 miles per hour. Now, the track over the course of the coming days does keep the storm just to the west of Bermuda as a Category 4 hurricane as we head through the next couple of days. Now, the storm is going to stay far enough offshore that we're spared any major impacts here in southern New England, but we are looking at the potential for some dangerous surf and rough rip currents as we head through the later part of today. Things are also very active in the tropics right now. There's Tropical Storm Gaston, which is closer to Europe, the Azores right there, out in the middle part of the Atlantic, and 3 other areas of the National Hurricane Center watching. Another spot that has a very high chance of development in the next 48 hours, moving towards the southern part of the Windward Islands and continuing to pass hopefully just south of where Puerto Rico is. Futurecast for us here in southern New England today. What you're looking at is some clouds this morning, but we get brighter into the afternoon. We have clear conditions outside for your early evening, but clouds roll in overnight. By early tomorrow morning, you're looking at some scattered showers coming through the area ahead of an approaching cold front. That cold front is going to bring the potential of some heavy rain and thunderstorm activity as we head through tomorrow afternoon. So today is dry, but we may get some heavy rain in the forecast for tomorrow as this cold front comes through. That cold front certainly a steering factor for Fiona to stay out to sea as high pressure builds in for us here in southern New England, but significantly cooler temperatures expected. Again, new this morning, a high surf advisory as Fiona passes out to sea. We are looking at dangerous surf and rip currents at our area coastline. As we head through, it begins late Thursday and continues through Friday. I wouldn't be surprised if that gets expanded through the weekend. Tomorrow, steady rain and isolated thunderstorms. Fall officially arrives after 9 o'clock. Friday is a breezy and chilly day. Highs may not even reach 60 degrees, and we're down into the low to mid 40s by Saturday morning.